integrative nutrition health coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we are in my home kitchen and we are going to make oatmeal raisin cookies. We're going to start with 3 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. If you're not dairy free or if you're not allergic to eggs, you could use a real egg in place of this. But flax is a great fiber. It's great for your digestive system. I always like to use flax where I can. So 3 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. And then with that, I am going to add 6 tablespoons of water. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so 6 tablespoons of water because that water will bind with the flax and it'll kind of create an egg. So anyway, so we have our flax and our water in the bottom. Now I'm gonna add a cup of oat flour. So again, this is the homemade oat flour. You can buy it if you want to, but it's way cheaper and easier to make it yourself. So 1 cup of oat flour, 1.5 cups of rolled oats, so whole oats. And then I have a cup of coconut sugar. You're welcome to use like a different sugar if you want to. Brown sugar would kind of be the replacement here, but this is lower glycemic index. Always better for you. So we're gonna use coconut sugar. A teaspoon of baking soda. Oh, I've got that right here. Okay, teaspoon of baking soda. I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 and 2. I'm gonna do, I think, a teaspoon of cinnamon. Yep. 1 teaspoon. Sorry, I'm looking at my cheat sheet over here. A teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Let's see, I'm gonna do 4 tablespoons. So this is like what I call the secret ingredient. It's super good, you guys. I know I've already done a product review on it on another video, but this Joy cashew base, so stinking good. I use this on everything. I use it in my smoothies. I make milk with it. I love roasted sweet potatoes with some of this on there. It's honestly, you guys, it's just so good. So we're gonna do, let's see here. Yeah, so you can see it's kind of like a cashew butter, but it's so much smoother than any other cashew butter I've ever seen. So we're gonna do this. So 4 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Okay, and I'm gonna stir this up first. So go ahead and kind of stir this in. Now that this is mixed up, now we can add our raisins. So I have 3/4 cup raisins, and I always make sure that there's not any added sugar, like that there's naturally sweet. And I'm just gonna go ahead and mix these in with my hands too, since I'm already here. But you can also use a spatula and just stir them in. If you guys don't like raisins, because there are raisin haters out there, I'm not one of them. I love raisins. But if you're a raisin hater, you can use chocolate chips instead. Or if you like it all, you can use both. Make them extra yummy. Okay. Yay, this looks delicious. All right, so here's our dough. Here's my dough ball. I'm gonna take my gloves off now. I'll show this to you. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. There's our dough. I'm gonna use a little bit of coconut oil just to like grease the pan so they don't stick. So I'm just going to make some dough balls here. Roll these up. I kind of want a mid-size cookie, you know, like, I don't know, maybe a big cookie. So voila, cookies. Okay, these are going in the oven for 12 minutes. So set your timers, 12 minutes, and we'll be back. All right, guys, our cookies are done. They look delicious. So this made 12 cookies for me at this side. I have the other 6 still in the oven. 12 minutes at 350, and that was it. I'm gonna let these cool for a minute, and then I'm gonna try not to eat all of them. But thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and comment. Let us know what you think of the recipe, and I'll see you soon.